If you have used Cisco Packet Tracer or GNS3 in the past, you probably know how easy it is to assign IP addresses to PCs and get them to ping. If you're new to Cisco CML, however, performing that very same task may not be as intuitive. I'm Jose, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up two PCs in CML and configure them with IP addresses, subnet masks, default gateway, and get them to ping. So let's get started. I have a very basic topology on CML right now. It looks kind of like this. I have network 192.168.10.0 on this side of the network where PC1 is, and I have network 192.168.20 on this side of the network where PC2 is. Now, if I hop on PC1, actually, I'm gonna go on router 1 and quickly do a show IP interface brief, just so you know how I have assigned the IP addresses. Okay, PC1 is sitting on this side of the network and PC2 is sitting on this side of the network. Now if I open PC1, the standard credentials on CML to gain access to the devices are username Cisco, password Cisco. Now that I have access to the device, I need to move into privilege access to the device in order to do anything. And to do that, I only have to type the command su. And the password is Cisco. I think su is an abbreviation for sudo. It's a very popular command in the Linux world. I'm going to type ifconfig, and as you can see, I have we are going to use this interface to assign an IP address, a subnet mask, and to do that, I'm gonna type ifconfig eth0 and the IP address 192.168.10. Let me check it out. .6, right? And the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Sorry, before typing the subnet mask, I have to type net mask, right? And type enter. Now that I have done that, I'm gonna assign a default gateway, and to do that, all I have to do is type the command route add default GW, which stands for gateway, and I'm gonna assign the IP address of the default gateway, which in this case is gonna be 192.168.10.1 192.168.10.1 and then type eth0. Okay, now to confirm that I have done things properly, I will type ifconfig, and as you can see, I have assigned the IP address as follows. This is the broadcast address and the net mask. Now I do not know how to check out if I configured the default gateway properly, but I can make sure that I have done things right by pinging the default gateway 192.168.10.1, and we are connected. I'm gonna break out of that by typing the combination Control-C to stop those pings, and now I'm gonna do the same thing on PC2. So username Cisco, password Cisco, I'm in, and I'm gonna type the command su to gain privileged access to the device. Password Cisco. I'm gonna type ifconfig, and we are gonna do the same thing on this Ethernet 0 network card. I'm gonna type ifconfig. The IP address 192.168.20.12, right? 12. Net mask 255.255.255.0, and sorry, I forgot again. I have to type ETH0. Something is wrong, I'm sure. Bad address, net mask. Right, so what have I done wrong? Okay, net mask, not nest mask. So I'm gonna change that and press enter, and yep, it worked. Now the default gateway, I'm gonna type route add default GW 192.168.20.5 and type ETH0. If I type ifconfig, you can see IP address, broadcast, mask. And to confirm that both devices can communicate, I'm gonna ping PC1 from PC2. Ping 192.168.10.6 if I'm not mistaken. Right. So ping that, and the pings are going. So we have connection between PC1 on one side of the network to PC2 on a completely different network. To break out of that, I'm going to type the combination Control-C again. And so that is how you do this on Cisco CML. I really hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.